You've reached the Grap YouTube channel. Our attention has been on the Bonk chart, and there is a new movie with news. There is a good possible impulse here. Even though I said earlier that a 5-wave rise is needed to show that a bottom has been formed, the micro support levels have stayed in place during the advance. There are only 3 or 5 waves moving in the right way right now, but it's not stable, so I'd feel great about acting on gut if I could just get that feeling back. After that, I would set up a support place for the next circle wave 2 retreat, which could lead to a strong third wave rise with targets at 073239 was followed by 4 and 5 waves in a row. What's more important is that Bonk is acting at a time when Bitcoin is going through its 5th wave, which may be going up. Actually going down, which is great because Bitcoin is going down in a diagonal or impulse, but Bonk is going up in what might be an impulse. Since the price just hit a new high and the 61.8 retracement level was taken away, I'm keeping an eye on it in the hopes that it will find support in this small support zone. The 50% barrier is very important if this turns out to be an impulse. Taking away help, we already know that if this level is broken, it will be either the highest or the lowest. Of course, I did say that it would be great to get one more high if it broke now, since it's not very reliable. We can look out for a 1-2 deal, which might happen. I don't know if I believe it, but I think it might work as a 1-2 deal where wave 1 is already there or something. The way prices are moving right now looks good if we go down, and it could also be a C wave to the fall. This chart might be helpful. It's one of the better ones right now, though it's not the most positive. Most of the other charts look very bad. On the other hand, this one looks good. The level that needs to be kept for 50% of the drop is 1,197,651. For the same reason I said below, I can look into that level if wave 2 has already fallen. We are keeping an eye on the market to see if the current swing low, the low point on April 13th at around 122,295 holds. This 1-2 mix would not be ideal. We can only find the best structures and draw attention to the most important turning points and failure places. It would be great to have one more high, and if we move closer to. In just 1 second, the 5th wave. This is where the bigger third peaked on Wednesday, and wave 4 could make a triangle. In a running triangle, there could have been a B wave that went too far. In this kind of triangle, it's possible for D to have one more lower high after an AB and C wave, and a triangle with a higher low. However, a break below the previous low would not always be bearish. To put it simply, we can use the orange tiny support area for as long as it. There is no reason for a triangle to break below the swing low, which is around 23475. We can reach higher heights if we have a hold, but what? Thank you for reading my Bonk update. If you could please like, share, and watch Grap Coin, that would be great. In the orange support area, you can see the levels that is now over.